If you want to protect the floors for your Honda Pilot of your vehicle from dirt, mud and spills, we have the perfect solution for that. Today I'm installing these LASFIT floor mats and cargo mat made especially for the 2016 to the 22 Honda Pilot, and honestly they might be one of the easiest upgrades you can do. Alright guys, so this is what it comes inside of the box. The 3 rows, the rear, the 3rd row, 2nd row, and for the driver and passenger side. But let me show you, it has this one to put the clips, to lock it down so it doesn't move. That's cool. And also the edge is pretty thick and tall, so if you spill something, it will stay here and you can clean it, so it won't go in your carpet. Look at this. It has a good texture here, so it won't be slippery for your foot. So that's amazing. And this one is for the cargo. Amazing. Let me zoom it out. Look at that. So let's see how to install it. Let's see how they fit. So let's test it out. Let's put it on the Honda Pilot. Okay, let's start with the first one, this one. Okay, let's see how it fits. First one, so I'm gonna try to slide it like this. Okay, so this one goes like this. Oh, I have to move like this and then close it. Let's see if I can put the cap. Yeah, I can put it. Let's do it here, the same thing. Have to move it like this, and then put this, and then put the cap on the top. Cool. That's good. You can see everything good. Good. Amazing. Now let's do the passenger side. So let's slide it like this. To slide it. So I have to remove the caps, this one and this cap over here, and then this one. Have to align it and then lock it. Let's see, like this. Or you can see it like that. Same thing in this one. Align this one like this and then lock it like that. And then I will put the cap back. Cool. Same thing as this one. Yes. Look at that. It's amazing. As you can see, the fitment, it is great. All the edges. That. Amazing. Now let's put the second row, this one. Have to put it like this, like that, and then slide it like this. Same thing here, have to slide it. And then open this one, align it with from the bottom. Yes, and then close it, look down. Let me go to the other side. Before I go there, let me put this clip here. Cool. Look at that. Same thing with this one. So first you have to do it from the bottom to align it horizontal, and then this one moved. Yes. So. Yes, like that. Boom. You can see it, how it is. and then put the cap. Make sure everything is there. So check out the fitment. Look at that. Super good. There. Here too. I have to push a little bit. But super good. So it is amazing. Now that for the third row, you have to check if you have 7 seats or 8 seats. The one with the notch here is for the 8 seats. You have 2 notches in here is for the 7 seats. Okay, so let's start this one. The space is more tight. So press this button. Yes, to have more space in here. So it's not that hard. Let's slide it like this. So I'm just trying to slide it. Yeah, just slide it and push it. Make sure it's with the edge. Here, same thing in here. See on the other side. Same thing for the other side. Let's put this one. Oh yes! So yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, you can see fits real good. Everything is good, the edges. It's perfect. Yeah. I like that it has this bend in here. That's great. Yeah. It's perfect. Now let's see how to install this one, the cargo mat, because this one is gonna go in here and also in here. All right, let's check it out. Whew. Oh, it has Velcro. Okay, it has Velcro on the back, so this will stick to the carpet. So, yeah, it sticks. Oh yes. So make sure to align this to these holes. Okay. So this one goes to the head rest. Okay, I got it. So it's not visible. I tuck it down in here. It's there. Okay, the next thing is this one. Have to put it around the headrest. Same thing in this one. Oh, like this. And then have to tie it down. Can do it with my right hand. Okay, so I just tied it down. This one in here. Tuck it in here. Same thing in this one. And then, see, yes, and then this one. This is perfect if you got kids, pets, or just don't want to worry about your interior anymore. If you're driving a 2016 to 2022 Honda Pilot, this is honestly a great upgrade, clean look, perfect fit, and way easier to maintain. And if you want to check them out, the link is on the description down below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.